Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. In the evening, we have here in the additional of Thursday, August the 3rd, 2023. Already solved two puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku and a 4-star Sudoku. We have two puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And you are interested in the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle number 6861. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O. Oh, 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the last column. So the rest are ones. And an O. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 between two O's comes an 1. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Alright, between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. And now we need to think. Yeah, now we need to think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, without comparing. Yes, without comparing. If you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.